Hey everyone, what is going on? Gonna do a somewhat quick video. You guys saw car was out, got new wheels, posted a video driving it and stuff. Been a few days, so I figured out all the rubbing issues and how to fix them. So in the back here, it's just pretty simple. It's just rubbing the inner lip. Can't really tell, but these rears already need repainted. Can't really tell, but they already need repainted, trust me. So on those, I'm just going to use like a jack handle or something to roll them a little bit. But the front, what I've found is, like, see, like that doesn't even go in between the tire and the fender. It hits. That's the passenger side. That's what's rubbing. But on the driver's side, we can get that in there. A little bit of wiggle room, you know. So I got to raise the passenger side like maybe like 2 millimeters. So I'm hoping I'm just going to like twist it 2 or 3 times and be good. And since I'm going to have to take the bumper off to jack it up, I'm going to change the air filter out. I have an old one from my Volvo. It's like a Blox Velocity Stack 6-inch one. So it's pretty big, but I think there's room in there to cram it in there. I think we'll get the Velocity Stack with the air filter in there. I mean, I have it. It should get a little bit more air in, and probably better than the Spectra one I got. So I'm going to pull the bumper here real quick and jack up the front, and we'll adjust that. Lug nuts broken loose. Oh, don't want the bumper under the car. Don't want to fuck up the bumper. Ah, that was my elbow. All right, car's up. Let me pull the wheel off. Grab my wrenches, and we'll get to getting this set right, hopefully. So, there we are. Just have to unlock this guy. I'm trying to think of how high to go. So let me get an idea here. That's I think like maybe like 5 or 6 turns. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise this. And put the wheel back on, and hopefully it doesn't rub on the front anymore. Okay, raised it a few. Still got an oil leak somewhere. I think it is either the sandwich gasket up top or the adapter to the block, like, you know, the oil filter adapter to the block, because it doesn't happen unless at high RPM. So I think it's spraying out somewhere over there, getting all over here, and then, you know, we just get a mist dripping down. But it's not enough to really notice it like missing. It's weird. Like, see, it's spraying all the way out here. So that's making me believe that it's like a gasket or something up in there. Like, I'll have to contact Mishimoto, see if they make a new gasket for that, and maybe I'll get a new engine block to adapter gasket and get all that. Because it's just a really small leak, but it's at real high RPMs. And it just kind of, it makes sense because it would spray over here and over, and see, all this is brand new stuff that's got a little bit of oil misted on all of it. So let me get the wheel back on, see if I can settle the car, and see if we made a good difference. So just turned the car on, tightened down the wheel, got everything set. That's better. you know? It's like, let's go try the driver's side. It's a lot better. The driver's side is still just like maybe like a hair taller. I don't know. Maybe they're right. Let me double check that. Yeah, I think they're pretty close now. So this side I'm hoping won't rub. We'll have to take it out and test it again. And as for the rears, I'm going to use a jack handle because, like I said, see, there's already a little bit of rust and paint chipping and stuff, so these kind of need repainted anyway. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the smooth part of the jack handle, which is this part down here, and use that to roll the fenders real quick. So basically you can see it's got like a bit of a lip on it, and we're rubbing over up top here when it's bouncing. So we're just going to take this guy up in here and work it a little bit. And basically I'm going to do this on both sides until I can get it pretty smooth. And like I said, since this is already chipped and stuff, I can always tape it off, paint it later. I'm not worried about it. I mean, you can see that the rust repair here that was repainted with like the rattle can paint matches pretty good. So if I go to tape off a little edge, sand this and paint it, not that big of a deal. Let me get to rolling these fenders. That was kind of tiresome. So the rears are rolled pretty much flat between here and here. Right here it like comes back out, but I think that's the peak of the wheel. I think that'll be fine. But from like here and here, it's rolled flat, pulled out a little bit too. So I think I don't think we'll rub. Got both sides done. So I think we'll be good. I think the front's good. Oh, a little tight over here, but see, we got the driver's side done too. Like I said, it's flat here, comes back out here, comes back out here. So I think that's pretty good. If it still rubs, I have to cut and roll. Not sure, but I'm getting stuck on shit hanging around. But yeah, let me grab the other filter and see if we can put that other filter in here. Super sweaty from rolling fenders, but this is the Block's Velocity Stack and like 6-inch big filter for the Velocity Stack. So you see it goes like that, bam. I'm gonna clean it out real quick. I used to run it on my Volvo I had, so it's just been sitting around, and we're gonna try to get it up in the fender here. First thing I gotta do is pull this guy off. And I'm gonna have to take that guy off the clamp because I'm not gonna need this little stubby piece, because we'll have to cram this up right there. So yeah, this filter is way too big. It's not gonna fit in there. There's just not enough room with the battery tray and the electronics all hidden down here. So that's gonna go back in storage, and I'm gonna pop this like generic one back on for now until I can find something a little bit better. There we are with our 4-inch little filter. The big guy will not fit in the bumper. There we are, all back together, the original filter. I'm gonna keep my coilover spanners with me, just in case I'm out somewhere at autocross and they're rubbing, I need to adjust it on the fly. I'll have them with me. Fenders are all rolled now, just need to take a test drive. Before I do that, I want to fix my GoPro. so that way I can film you guys and not have blurry dots on the GoPro screen. So that'll be my next video, is fixing the GoPro. But if you liked the video, like and subscribe. Till next time.